Hello friends, welcome to WP Nearby Places tutorial videos. My name is Yash and today I am going to show you how to get Google Map API key. So first of all, we need to go to the console.cloud.google.com. Once you are there, you will see that there is a default login screen provided by Google. You just need to log in with your Google credentials. Once you are successfully logged in, you will get this Google Cloud Platform screen, same as this. Over there, you just need to go to the new projects from this drop down. Click here on new project button and give some appropriate name to this particular project. Like this. Now click on create button. It will take some time to create a new project. Here is our new project. You just need to select that new project. Once you selected that project, you just need to go to the APIs and services and click on credentials. And click on create credential button and select API key. As you can see, we have our new API key registered with Google Cloud Platform. Now there are two options available. One is for close this window and another one is for restrict this key. Restrict key functionality is used to restrict our API key. Like if we want to use this API key for Android or iOS applications, then we can restrict this key for a particular purpose. As of now, I am creating this key as a universal key. So I am going to close this window. After that, we need to go to the library to enable some of the services provided by Google. We need to activate three services. First one is Map JavaScript API. Now just enable this API key. Once it's enabled, you will see this disable button. If we want to disable these services, then we can click this button to disable that JavaScript API service. Now again do the same procedure. Go to API and services and library. Now search for places. Now first of all, we need to activate these places API services. Now click on enable. Now same procedure for other last services. Search for places, and last one is Map Embedded API. Click on it and just enable that services. Okay, so we are done. Now we just need to copy our API. Go to API and services, click on dashboard. You can see all the graphs and errors and whatever the place we are using this API and all. Go to credentials, copy this key, and now go to our WordPress website. Now the website in which we installed our WP Nearby Places plugin, we just need to go to the settings and just paste our new API key and just click on save button. That's all friends. Thank you very much. I hope you like this video.